Hi crypto fans, welcome back here with more news on the Bitcoin, and today we are going to discuss a lot of interesting information, and for sure you are excited for what I've prepared for you because the news are massive and they are really exciting. Let's start with some small news and then we'll go to the bigger ones in the end. First of all, what do we have here? If this is not a bull run, this is not a bear run either. If you will really want to make money, stop shorting every resistance and attempt. You were wrong and start making money. I didn't expect Bitcoin will do 42k in 2023. The same was here for me. I was about to think that its maximum will be 35k, but it made 42k. But that's okay. I didn't short 32,000 or 38,000 either. Clearly mentioned in our discourse that we don't need to short the move. We just need to wait for the right time to long. As Bitcoin kept on going up, we started to long alts instead of looking to short resistances. This is something which only experience will teach you. I'm on no OG, no master, no gold, just an average person with years of experience now, experience more than everything else. SEC met with BlackRock about the Bitcoin ETF filing once again yesterday, and this thing is done deal, send it. Here we could see a memorandum from David Remus Office of Market Supervision, Division of Trading and Markets, date December 19, subject meeting with BlackRock, and here we go. On December 19th, 2023, there's a lot of names that we could see over here. So the Division of Trading and Markets, and Justin Dobie and Andrew Schaffler from the Division of Corporation Finance participating in a meeting with the following individuals. And here we could see guys from BlackRock and also guys from the Nasdaq stock market. 4 people of the Nasdaq stock market and 6 people from BlackRock. The discussion concerned the Nasdaq stocks market proposed rule change to list and trade shares of the iShares Bitcoin Trust under Nasdaq Rule 5711. Next is the Bitcoin. 3 white soldiers on the monthly time frame after a bullish breakout has resulted into a new all-time high for Bitcoin in 2017 and 2020. Interestingly, we're seeing the same bullish setup right now, and to put it simply, if December concludes on a strong note, there's the high probability that the new all-time highs will be reached in 2024. Bitcoin miners will thrive. As Bitcoin is interesting, we're getting into something way more interesting soon, because if such people say that Bitcoin is interesting, the person who holds the most Bitcoin in the world saying it's interesting, we for sure can understand that it really is, and it's about to be way more interesting, because if such people still bullish on it, they expect it to go even bigger than that. If they are not selling, they know it's going to be even more and more bigger. People don't realize how big this is, as late last night I was swimming laps in my heated pool after a few virgin margaritas. I went so hard that I blacked out and went unconscious. While I was laying on the bottom of the pool, I realized that a Bitcoin spot ETFs are going to be approved, and none of us are bullish enough. This immediately gave me the strength to jump 16 feet out of the pool in one go, and imagine what I will be able to do once they're officially approved. As Bitcoin price update, Monday high was deviated before a move lower, but we are now back at the level, as this will be a crucial level within POC right above to see if price will accept above or fail at a 43,100 to 200. High confluence shorting zone or take profits zone for longs is higher above 43,800, where we have equal highs below an end POC, which is also the POC of the range before the first major down below 40,000. And in early December. And SFP of those equal highs or just a strong rejection from this zone should be entry trigger. The most important higher time frame levels right now are the December monthly open for a very extended rally. We've not seen a red month in 4 months with a large monthly increases. Then the value area extremes for the macro range are also important if we're to reach there very quickly for any reason. All recent pumps, including the current one, has seen a lot of market selling on the way up. If limit selling starts at these levels, we could see a very quick move down. Market sellers can also be taken out if we convincingly move past the Monday high and the resistance zone is point 2. Which could lead to a quick move up as well due to the shorts actually closing. So the next way we go is Bitcoin starting to liquidate all shorts, and we can understand that it was massive because everybody saw that around the $3 billion were liquidated at the point of 43,800. We've been talking about it for so long, and now it actually liquidated. This is massive loss for a lot of people, a lot of shorters. As I have finished staking, I'm done. Now all I need to is exit liquidity and reap the rewards of being early, said no Bitcoiner ever. Bitcoin's distribution starts off uneven, deal with it equal and fair. Distribution requires authoritarianism. Why? Even if Bitcoin was magically distributed equally to every human, those who are given a fair share will not value it equally. They'll sell to those that do value it. Then what? The distribution is unequal. An equal distribution of a new money arising from nothing without. Authoritarianism is the only fair way. You cannot force people to equally value a new token if it was evenly distributed. So what you would end up with is what we have now. Mining being open to all from the beginning with an unequal appreciation for the opportunity. Everyone being given equal opportunity to get new coins, but people valuing that opportunity with their free will. Over time, as Bitcoin becomes money and inversely prefer this payment, then because there is no proof of stake, coins will be spent and distributed slowly, rather than used to gain access to new coins, how Fiat and Ethereum works. In that way, the only ethical way, Bitcoin is distributed and some people will benefit more than others. So be it. Some trees get more sun and grow taller. Are you going to celebrate nature or advocate trimming down the thriving trees so it's more equal and fair? What do you think? Everyone I've ever orange pilled and helped onboard into Bitcoin tells me I should quit my job and do that for a living instead. I can't. In good conscience charge people for this. It's too important of a revolution for me to profit off of it. And as the stellar smart contracts are on the rise, Avichal Garg explores the financial disruption of blockchain, and gold meets Bitcoin in a rally to nearly 18 months high. Blockchain base gets its own song and coins the first single as NFT. Staying informed, yes, what happens on a daily basis is very important in order not to fall behind others. And if you don't stay informed, someone else will, and they will surpass you. As Coinbase's stock prices soared over 400% this year, reaching a 20-month high and outperforming the Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, cryptocurrency trading platform Coinbase is experiencing a remarkable stock renaissance, with shares up over 400% since the start of the year, and the company's stock price reached a 20-month high this week, surpassing both Bitcoin and Ethereum in terms of return. As the yearly close approaches, traders are optimistic about further upside for Coinbase, and with the potential approval of the first US Bitcoin spot price exchange-traded fund ETF on the horizon, and despite this positive outlook, some investors have reduced their exposure to Coinbase, including investment giant ARK Invest, which cut its holdings in the company's stock by around 11% in December alone, and the company's CEO Brian Armstrong remains confident about the future of cryptocurrency, stating that being anti-crypto is bad politics in Washington, D.C. As a Coinbase eyes a strong future despite SEC obstacles, and Armstrong also highlighted current hurdles facing Coinbase, including a rejection of the rule-making collaboration from the Securities and Exchange Commission, which is responsible for approving Bitcoin ETFs. However, Armstrong emphasized Coinbase's role in all aspects of cryptocurrency value chain and expressed his belief that the future of cryptocurrency is actually bright. That's all the information we got on the Bitcoin today. See you in the next one, and peace.